Good morning guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select personalization, and here click on plus icon. Now you can either pick something from your local photos, so just choose the one that you want to apply. Then you can go with one from a default album, so you can choose something from Soft Light album, Nature Patterns, Daydreams, or you can explore more system wallpapers, but I'll go with one from Daydreams, maybe this one. Now you can customize it however you like. You can also change the colors here, the fonts, and also you can add some effect here, just if you like it. Then we'll leave the home screen like this, tap on apply, and just wait. As you can see, it has been done. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.